Ready to swap your Toncoin for USDT on Bybit? Let's jump straight into a simple, step-by-step guide. First, head over to Bybit.com and either log into your existing account or sign up for a new one. If you haven't already, you'll need a verified account to trade. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Assets tab, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. From there, click on the Deposit button. Search for Ton in the Deposit window, select Toncoin from the list, and Bybit will generate a deposit address for you. Carefully copy this address. Now go to your Toncoin wallet, Y-Euro, wherever you're holding your Ton Y-Euro, and send the desired amount to the Bybit deposit address you just copied. Double-check the address to avoid errors. After your Ton deposit confirms on the blockchain and appears in your Bybit account, click on the Trade tab, and then select Spot Trading. In the Spot Trading interface, search for the Ton USDT trading pair. This is the pair that allows you to directly exchange Toncoin for USDT. Choose your order type. Y-Euro. A market order will execute the trade instantly at the best available price. Select the sell option since you're selling Ton. Enter the amount of Ton you want to sell for USDT. Finally, click the Sell Ton button to execute the trade. Congratulations! Your Ton has now been converted to USDT. You can verify the transaction by returning to the Assets tab, where you should see your USDT balance updated, and that's it. You've successfully converted Toncoin to USDT on Bybit.